Hi, Andrew here. Fitting video for your ear loop face masks. Now, if you don't know how to put on a ear loop face mask, we might need to talk, but I will show you all the best tips. So I'm going to put on the extra large. I kind of go between the large or extra large. It kind of depends. On the ear loop, I prefer the large just because I like it to feel a little bit more secure, but I'm going to put on both. So all you have to do when you get your mask, the best way to make sure that you get your nose custom fit is you start putting it in the center. That looks like Dumbo. And then you push down and go out. So start from the top and go down and out like that. And you're going to notice it's going to start forming to your nose. Then just loop and pull. You want to go as far down as you can, just because as you're breathing out, the air is leaving through and underneath, but not up top because of that padded filter. But you want to pull it down all the way because you want, as you're breathing in, any air that might come in through the sides, it's even harder to get through. So it's just a smart way to always tuck it down. So this is the ear mask in an extra large. It fits me perfectly fine. Get it off, loop over and pull out. So now I'm going to put on the large. Same thing. Start there and go out. And then loop and pull. And there you go. I like this one. It just feels a little tighter on my face. But as you noticed, the extra large would work just fine. So if you're unsure on someone's fit, I'd probably go to the larger size up just to make sure that it's going to fit appropriately all the way back. Okay, that's the first time fit video. If you have any questions about the features of my masks with the ear loops, check out the ear loop section below. Thanks.